Hi, I'm Ed Langford. I'm the assistant to the director for programming, and I'm going to give you a demonstration of our state-of-the-art charting software that we have. Okay, when the program first opens up, I just want to point out something. When the program first opens up, there's a student drop-down list. You can access every student in the program's data. For the purposes of this, for confidentiality reasons, we are using their student ID number. When the charting program opens up, it defaults to a 5-cycle semi-logarithmic chart, 180 days along the x-axis. By clicking on the chart options, you can actually change the number of days so it's configurable. You can also change the cycles, 6 cycles, 9 cycles. Okay, next. It defaults to a total inappropriate chart, which encompasses all of the students' total inappropriate behaviors, which include aggression, held dangerous behaviors, destroy. We also chart other things like behavioral contracts passed, weight, caloric intake. Just pull up the aggression chart. By clicking on this arrow here, you can actually go back 180 days at a time in the student's data. And with just a click of the button, you can actually change the x-axis to a daily, to a weekly, which is right here, monthly, and yearly. We have 6 different types of intervention lines that we use here at JRC. We have major consequence change, medication changes, you can see them all up here, there, behavioral contract changes, other miscellaneous changes like residential moves or classroom moves. We also have the contingent skin shock intervention and adding and dropping from a behavior category. Okay, we have different tools that allow us to analyze the data. By simply clicking across a data series, you can actually put up 3 different types of trend lines, quarter intersect mean, quarter intersect median, and least squared. And we also have a feature that allows you to simply draw your own if you like. We have different tools that allow us to look at the level of a behavior. For instance, we'll take a look at the median and arithmetic mean. And you notice just by clicking, you can easily move these labels around for presentation purposes. Okay, the next thing, actually going to switch to another chart right now. And you can actually draw multiple trend lines on a data series. Another feature, just click back, allows you actually to put multiple data series on the one chart and overlay them. This is aggression. By simply clicking on that button there, you can plot multiple data series, up to 8 of them. The next thing I'm going to show you, you can actually filter by case manager, resident, psychologist, or classroom. I've got it filtered by a classroom. And you can actually combine student data if you wanted to look at several different students grouped together. So right now it's compiling thousands of data points, and that's the custom composite of the 5 students I selected. The last feature I'm going to show you is our thumbnail feature. We use this at our weekly chart share meetings. We're able to actually view up to 500 student charts in a 30-minute chart share session. At these chart shares, we discuss student progress and look at our behavioral systems that we have in place. I'm just going to briefly describe what you see. Total inappropriate is a chart that encompasses all of the students' total inappropriate behavior. Total major is a composite of aggression, destruction, held dangerous, major dis, and non-compliant behaviors. Total minor behaviors is a custom composite of their educationally and socially interfering behaviors and their inappropriate verbal. We also keep GED behaviors that are treated and GED totals. These are actually monthly charts you're looking at. We also like to look at restraint minutes, and as part of our nutrition initiative, we like to look at student weight. We also have an academic charting program with all of these features, which I'll be happy to demonstrate for you after if you have some time to stick around.